went to Rainforest Seafood. It's the weekend to get my groceries for the month. Next month. This month. I still have some remainder for the remainder of this month, but I needed some top up for next month and I have it all here. Let's talk about it. Hi guys, so Rainforest is having a special right now. They're having Father's Day special. I know I don't have a man in my life that has children, but I still went and made use of it. And let me show you what is in the bag, right? So for this one, it came up to $7,000, $6,999, basically $7,000. We got a super jumbo shrimp, right? A pack. We got a pack of blueberries, right? We got some oxtail. This is like a beef. Yeah, this is a beef. We got a pack of beef. Oh yeah, this is a beef. You can choose between beef or pork. And we got a pack of oxtail. I think it's like a pound or two. No, I think it's 2 pounds. 2 pounds of each. Right? We got a can of beans, red beans. We got 3 corns. Whoa, lighting, stop playing with the lighting. We got 3 corns. We got 1 pack of Johnny cake dumpling. We got 1 pack of dumpling mix. And it was only for $7,000. I think this is a steal because I live alone. So when I buy this, right, this can last me 3 months because I'm going to split the beef in half. So I'm going to have it 1 week. And then I split the oxtail in half. Have that 1 week. I split the shrimp in half. No, it's going to last me like 2 months. That's 1 week. When I'm making like lunch, I'm prepping for the week. And normally I take 1 week out of the month just to have something like really light. So probably like saltfish or salt mackerel or something like that. So yeah. If you haven't bought it just yet, I know Rainforest Seafood, they can sponsor me one of these days because I advertise for the Mother's Day special and I'm doing for the Father's Day special, and I am a fan. I'm a fan of Rainforest Seafood, yeah. So you can clap that. But if you are seeing this video right now, you can go out and get yourself some meal prep quality items for the month. Bye.